Your career gap just became your unfair advantage. While you were away, the world changed, and today, the fear of being left behind is real, but AI is the ultimate bridge. It is not about coding, it is about leveraging your existing human wisdom. Think of AI as a partner that handles the tedious work while you focus on strategy. We are going to master the tools that matter for you. The technology is finally beginner-friendly. If you can send an email, you can use these tools to build a brand or land your dream role today. Let us dive into step 1. We are starting with your story. Your resume is not a history book. It is a marketing document for your future. ChatGPT is your first stop. It can help you translate your past experiences into modern industry keywords that recruiters are searching for in every single database. Do not just copy and paste. Use it to brainstorm. Ask the AI how a project you did 10 years ago applies to a job today.
You will be surprised how much overlap there is. Soft skills like leadership and conflict resolution are timeless.
Next, let us talk about the cover letter. Most people hate writing them, but AI can draft a personalized version for every job application you send. By feeding the job description into the tool, you ensure that your letter speaks directly to the company's needs. It saves hours of frustrating manual work. Now, moving to interview prep. This is where AI truly shines. You can simulate a live interview right from your living room with a bot. Ask the AI to act as a hiring manager. It will grill you with tough questions and then give you instant feedback on your vocal answers. This builds muscle memory. By the time you get to the real interview, you have already answered the hardest questions 10 times over with the AI. Confidence comes from preparation. AI is the most patient coach you will ever have. It never gets tired and it is always available for you. Let us pivot to market research. If you have been out of the game, you need to know the current trends in your specific industry.
Perplexity AI is a game changer here. Unlike standard search engines, it gives you a concise summary of the latest news with real sources and citations.
You can catch up on 3 years of industry shifts in 30 minutes. This knowledge makes you sound like an expert during any networking event. And use it to find the top 3 challenges your target companies are facing. When you mention these in an interview, you immediately stand out completely. Information is power, and AI is the fastest delivery system ever created. You are no longer behind, you are actually getting ahead of the curve. Now, let us talk about visuals. Maybe you need to create a presentation or a LinkedIn banner. Design used to be very difficult for many. Canva's AI tools allow you to generate professional designs just by describing what you want. You do not need to be a graphic designer anymore.
A polished visual presence shows you are tech-savvy. It proves to employers that you can use modern tools to communicate your ideas effectively and cleanly.
Even Midjourney can help you create custom imagery for a personal project or a blog. The possibilities are endless when you have an AI artist. The key is experimentation. Spend 15 minutes a day playing with these tools. It will feel like magic, and your confidence will soar very quickly. Let us move on to productivity. Administrative tasks often eat up the most time in any new job. AI can automate the boring stuff easily. Tools like Otter.ai can join your meetings and take perfect notes for you. You can focus on the conversation instead of frantic, messy handwriting. Imagine having a summary and a list of action items delivered to your inbox immediately after a call. You will be the most organized person, and this allows you to hit the ground running. You won't miss details, and your coworkers will wonder how you stay on top of everything so well. There is also Grammarly for your emails. It does more than just fix spelling. It helps you strike the perfect professional tone for every recipient. Clear communication is the hallmark of a leader. These tools ensure your written voice is as strong and confident as your spoken one actually is. Now let us talk about the mindset of a restarter. Your break was not wasted time. It was time spent gaining perspective and real-world resilience. Employers today value emotional intelligence and problem solving. Combined with AI skills, you are a powerhouse that companies are actively looking for in this economy. Do not hide your gap. Explain how you used it to grow and how you are now using AI to stay at the cutting edge. This shows initiative. It shows you are a lifelong learner. That is the single most important trait in the modern workforce, and you have it. We are halfway through our journey. You have the tools, the research, and the productivity hacks. Now, let us refine your personal networking strategy today. LinkedIn is your digital storefront. AI can help you write a headline that stops the scroll and gets you noticed by the right recruiters. Instead of a boring job title, use a headline that describes the value you bring. AI can help you brainstorm 5 or 6 great options. Networking is just conversations. Use AI to draft reach-out messages that are polite, professional, and highlight a common interest you share with the person. People are more likely to respond when the message is tailored. AI does the heavy lifting, but your heart and sincerity make the real connection. You are building a bridge to your next career chapter. Each connection is a brick. AI just makes the construction process much faster and easier. Let us talk about technical skills. If you need to learn a specific software, AI can create a custom learning roadmap just for you. Tell the AI your goal, and it will break it down into daily lessons. It is like having a private tutor for every single subject. No more feeling overwhelmed by a massive syllabus. You take it one small AI-guided step at a time until you have mastered the skill fully. This applies to everything from Excel to project management. You can acquire new skills in weeks that used to take months of formal classroom study. Knowledge is now on demand. Your ability to learn is more important than what you already know. AI is the tool that facilitates this lifelong learning. Let us discuss handling technical interviews. Even for non-tech roles, you might face logic tests. AI can help you practice those specific patterns today. It is about demystifying the process. When you understand the logic, the fear disappears. AI is the best explainer in the world for complex topics. You are becoming a hybrid professional, someone with deep human experience and high-level AI proficiency. Think about the value you can add to a team. You bring maturity and the latest tech skills. That combination is absolutely unbeatable right now. You are not competing with AI. You are using it to compete at a higher level. This distinction is what will make you highly successful. Let us talk about the first week back.
AI can help you summarize onboarding documents and company handbooks so you can get up to speed.
Don't be afraid to use these tools openly. Many companies appreciate employees who find efficient ways to work. It shows you are a forward thinker. You can even use AI to help you draft your first status report or project plan. It ensures you start on a very high note. And consistency is key. Use your new tools every day. The more you use them, the more natural they feel in your professional daily routine. You have done the hard part. You decided to come back. Now you have the technical support to make that return a massive, lasting success. Remember, technology changes, but your value as a person remains. AI is just the amplifier for your unique voice and your incredible life experience. The world needs people who can bridge the gap between old school wisdom and new school tech. That person is you, and today is your day. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start using one tool today. Just one. That single step will change the trajectory of your entire career. I have seen people double their salary by integrating AI into their workflow. It is not a myth. It is a reality for career restarters. Your past is not a weight, it is a foundation. Build your future on it with the power of artificial intelligence guiding every step. We have covered a lot today. Take a breath. You don't have to master it all at once. Just keep moving forward every day. The community of restarters is growing. You are not alone in this journey. We are all learning and adapting to this new world together. I believe in your potential. I have seen the magic happen when experience meets innovation. Go out there and show them what you can do. Your next big opportunity is just one prompt away. Keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep growing. The future is waiting. Thank you for joining me. Now go reclaim your career. You have everything you need to succeed in this exciting new era of work.